loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out. I'm feeling lean.
Hello, Habibis! Welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. Another banger. Hey, another banger. Welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. On today's video, just like you read on the title, we are moving out. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, it's time. It is time, and it's really stressful. That has been stressing me out the whole January, and that's why my hair been looking like crazy. Oh my god, my hair is looking really crazy, and I'm thinking maybe I should wear this because I don't like the way my hair looks, so I'll go like this, like to hide the the bad hair. Anyway, I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are fine. And if you are new here, my name is Nanji and this is the Habibis team. Welcome and welcome to the Habibis team. So do hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share. And I want to take you through, guys, the searching, because moving does not mean that we have already found a house. We have to search the house, then figure out if we want to go there, check our finances, and then move out. So yeah, that's literally the process this time. And let me tell you, it's been stressful. I've been feeling a bit like it's a lot for me, but it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So this is, to cut the long story short, this is the series of me moving out. Like, this is the series of moving, from searching, buying boxes to pack my stuff, packing, new house tour, everything. So it's gonna be back to back to back, okay? Otherwise, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is that I can get them do that for me. Sitting in the passenger side and the lights and I try to hide it.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's love.
I love you, you're moving. You're moving. Yeah, I did not expect this. Let me tell you, the last time I came, I think she's staying in those cheap houses. But I don't understand which houses she's staying in. I think she's staying in those ones. That means you have to sell our dining. Let's see the bedroom. No, I think no. There's only one. But why are there 3 rooms? Why is this not a bedroom?
I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with you.
Gorgeous. I love the fact, even if it's a 2-bedroom, to be honest, really looks amazing. Like they even put the blinds on it. Like this would be an office. This would be an office, and I just put blinds. We don't even need curtains for. If we are moving to a 2-bedroom, this one. Let me not suit me, but I really love this. Wow. But where is the TV? There. Yeah. So the TV is there, but what about this space? What do you do with this space? Let me not say
You me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still love me? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function, no assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. I got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I don't care.
no, this one is, the kitchen is smaller. Ours, it has, here, it has like double, like a space like double. And then this side also, it's like 1, 2, like a couple of stuff. Like for example, look at the fridge. The fridge is so small. The space on the fridge is so small. I don't know what type of fridge is supposed to fit in that place. Here, I don't think my gas cooker can fit. Like, my gas cooker is not this small. It's huge. It's like a big, the kitchen. This is what I saw when I came to townhouse. This is what I saw now. And they didn't like it. But the one I saw the other side, I think that side is the new side. This side is a bit like the older versions. Let's go to the next one.
Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, me. I know it coming over me. Backstroke overseas.
This is better because I feel like and the person already had put the screws in the wall, so seems to find that they have screwed in the wall. But even actually will probably come back and screw it as well. But I feel like this is better, and also maybe 516 is our lucky number. Who knows? Like, me, I feel like this one's okay, fine.
Already on 10, all money come in. I'm feeling go out, this feeling don't drought, this party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.
Ayeba, somebody call the popo. Anyway, guys, how are you guys? It's probably 2 days after, yeah, that I'm sitting down, and let's talk about the house hunting. So the house hunting went quite well, quite hard, quite, how can I say it, quite eye-opening for me, to be honest. So we went to look for houses for 1 bedroom or 2 bedrooms, either can do for us. And it was really eye-opening because I realized, Dubai has become expensive, extremely expensive. The rents are like up there, and unfortunately it's too, because for me, I always say I will always live below my means, below. Like, I don't want to use half of my money to pay rent. Like, that's not how you live. Like, you pay half of it to pay rent. No, it's supposed to be 30% and then the 20% for your daily needs. I mean, what do you mean I'm supposed to give 50%? But anyway, so yeah, the first house actually that you saw, I really loved it. It was a 2-bedroom. The wall, the ceiling was above, really nice, like was giving what it's supposed to be giving. Like, I loved the window. It was large. I love lighting, so I'm a sucker for lighting, so that was plus and plus. Also, yeah, just the space was really good. Then the second one that I didn't like because of the kitchen. The kitchen is so small, so my kitchen is even bigger than their kitchen. I was like, no, not now, no, because I love cooking nowadays. I love making amazing meals, and I love my space. Like, I don't want to be rushing in a small space. It's a kitchen, make it a kitchen. Then the third one, I think we saw a couple of them there, and then we also saw another 2-bedroom, but it's like on a townhouse, and that was a bit expensive for our budget. But yeah, currently, if you ask me, have I found our house? Have we found a house? No. No. Nada. We have not found a house yet, but we are hopeful. We are going again this coming weekend. Probably won't carry you because I feel like that this might be it. And I just want you guys to show you the chosen one. Like, already you guys have seen the whole process. Like, it's the same thing over and over again. And I just want to show you the chosen direction. And maybe I'm also moving out of the country. I go Casablanca, or the city Casablanca. So anyway, guys, that was literally just a small minimalistic, or rather small recap. What is minimalistic? when I put makeup on, I act like I'm a bougie babe. Casablanca. But anyway, that was a small recap of how our house hunting is going. This is series, so this is series 1, and hopefully the series 2 will be. This is my empty house tour. I hope so. Yeah. Otherwise, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Also, if you'd love to watch the exclusive content hauls, they're down there in the members. You can just click on the members and join in the members tab. It's so amazing. Like, trust me, the members are loving it. The members are loving it. I literally started it like 15 days ago, and let me tell you, this coming Friday. Okay, so I'm recording this on a Tuesday, but you guys are gonna see it on a Sunday. Yeah, but on Friday I always post for the members. So if you haven't joined the exclusive Habibi's besties, those are my besties, my Habibi's besties, you better join down in the link in the description. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you again in the next video. Bye. Casablanca.